Huh?
No, because you put your finger in it.
Baby, watch out, let her through. Are you done? Yeah. I'm so hot and heavy. You're hot and sweaty? Yeah. You got it? Can you jump? Oh, good job. I'm on snow cones down. Baby, they don't have any more snow cones. They're all out. They're all done now.
Oh, that's cool. Ask the firefighter. He's standing right there. Ask them. Yes. She wants to know why the seats are turned backwards.
So it helps us get out. So since our air packs are in the back, when we put them on, as we lean forward, it helps us get out of the trucks. And when we're pulling up to like a house, if one person's looking forward and one person's looking back, it gives us a better view of what's going on.
Oh, that's interesting. Let's go see the front. Excuse me.
We got more cool stuff in the back to look at. So that's
I never been in no furniture. I didn't know it looked like that.
Right.
I didn't know it looked like that. That's crazy. And I don't know how they drive them things.
With practice.
They probably be hitting the turns. You gotta turn the thing and look all the way.
Yeah.
You over here recording it?
Yeah.
Like you never seen the furniture before?
Not up close. I don't think I've ever been this close. Right, and then you don't get to see what's all in here. Thank you. That is nice. Look, those are the axes. What's these called? The packs. Look at all of the knobs. She's talking about you recording like you see fire trucks this close every day? No.